Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop for another action-packed 10 minutes of bomber building action. Broadcasted in Field-O-Vision. This is a drama-free zone. Alright people, I'm ready to make attempt number 2 at this. I got my deal already down here. I got this already. So this time, I should have did this yesterday. I don't know why I didn't. But I need to put my baking soda concoction. Now I also put a little bit of cotton flock in this, just for a little bit of strength. Besides, just because you don't get no strength from baking soda. You know, it's just a filler. And someone asked me if they could use micro blooms. Yeah, you can. You know, but when you just want to thicken up your epoxy, that baking soda's cheap, man. You know, and it just... But you can. Yeah, sure, you can use micro balloons. I just want to get this right on that edge so I get a good bond. Then I got my vertical stab stuff ready to glue on. As soon as I get this glued together, that's what I'm going to do. I don't like to use too much of that cotton flock in my, because it don't like to flow real even, you know, it likes to clump and stuff like this. But that's why I filled it with baking soda first and just added a little bit of cotton flock. Then I can get a better flow out of my pastry bag. And this will just make this hatch a whole lot better than, you know, cutting it off for the fuselage and you know, lining it with wood. That's how I used to make my hatches. Oh, I'm the hatch king, man. I can make the nicest hatch you ever seen in a fiberglass fuselage, just real easy. Don't take me no time at all, but it's wood and it's glued to the edge. Anytime you can do something like this, you're just a whole lot better off. You know what I mean? Okay, now let's swap some resin on that too. I don't want to pull it off. I just want to get it nice and wet, so I get a good bond. You know, because if your filler's too dry like this, you won't get a very good bond. You know, but this way it will. Let's do it be stuck this time. Okay. Now I also did something different to make this easier. I had a real hard time lining up these holes, you know, and I was moving it around and it just didn't work out very good. So I put some screws in the back side and to where they'll just plop right in place. That's kind of the plan. Bam. It's like so. That was a lot easier. Now, I go in with my screws from the other side and cinch her down. Then we'll get on gluing that vertical stab together. We can just let this sit. Going over, tighten them and strip them out. Whoa, caught it. Oh, dropped it. Good feeling about this one. This one's gonna work, people. This one's gonna work. Should have did that the first time. I don't know why I didn't. Well, learn as we go.